Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Python 3, 8 or newer, and pip. Create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Then install core libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, because they cover data cleaning, analysis, visualization, and modeling. Once done, match each syllabus topic to a hands-on Python task. This ensures you learn by doing rather than memorizing. Practice small scripts daily, short, focused exercises build fluency, faster than long passive reading. Now dive into complex execution. Clean messy datasets using impute strategies, merges, and groupie aggregations, because clean inputs yield reliable results. Next, perform exploratory data analysis. Visualize distributions, correlations, and detect outliers to guide modeling choices. Then, build baseline models, linear and logistic regressions, plus a decision tree to learn trade-offs. Make sure to evaluate with appropriate metrics and cross-validation. This teaches you how modeled to finish, simulate exam conditions, time-box practice problems, and produce clean, reproducible Jupyter notebooks with clear steps and comments. Once complete, review mistakes by tracing code, checking data types, and validating statistical assumptions. This prevents repeated errors. If something breaks, create a minimal reproducible example, simplify until you can identify the issue. This pinpoints the fix quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, revert to your last working commit or environment snapshot, then reintroduce changes slowly to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.